To start with, make sure to select the layer that you want to remove the background. Find the Select and Mask. After that, a new view will appear and you can adjust the preview or the transparency. Now let's select the areas that we want to keep. To adjust the brush size or to make it smaller or bigger, just click the brackets on your keyboard. Then to remove an area, just hold the Alt button. If the Alt button is on hold, the brush icon is changed to a minus sign, just keep that on the mind. For the hair, as you can see, the edges was not refined yet. It's better to use the Refine Edge Brush tool for this part. It's a tool that was good for complicated areas or hard to select. Now let's select all the edge of the hair to keep the important parts and remove the excess background. Now you know how to remove a background in just a minute. Just an additional tips, Select and Mask tool is only good for images that have a good quality or high resolution. Also, the image should have a high contrast with the background to easily select the parts that we only want to keep. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell to get a notification for our new videos. Thank you.